This short video will walk you through how to use a dichotomous key. These are should do activities, just as a note. So, dichotomous, first of all, let's break down that word. So, di means two. So, in a dichotomous key, you always have the choice of two. So, if we just look at a very simple dichotomous key for identifying a shape, in this case, we're going to identify this blue shape right here. You're always going to start with your first choice. So my first set of choices is the shape has four sides. If I believe that, then I'm going to go to two. Or the shape has three sides. If that's what I think it has, then it's telling me the shape is a triangle. So in this case, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the shape has four sides. So I'm going to go to number two. So for number two, I have two choices. All sides are equal in length, or it's a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel lines. So I can see that every side is equal in length. So therefore, I know the shape is a square. So I keep moving through my dichotomous key until I have identified whatever it is I'm trying to identify.